Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan your essay for plagiarism. So whether you're a teacher, student, or a faculty member, it's pretty simple to get results in case there is plagiarism or some sources that you didn't cite. So I'll show you how. It's pretty simple. Once you've logged in, over here you can see your username. Just go to Education and then your dashboard. And just a reminder that you get 10 free credits every month. Otherwise, you're able to purchase a plan to scan your content for, whether you're a student and you only need a few pages scanned, or you're a teacher or school and need a large volume to scan multiple pages. So let's go and start scanning. So over here, again, if you're a teacher, you're able to scan up to 100 files. So instead of having to do every student individually, in case you're leading a large course with 90 students, which is pretty likely if you're a professor, you can scan everything at once. So let's add our file. Go to our biology midterm. And again, you can select more than one, but for this example, we'll just do this one. So our detector is scanning against documents all over the internet, all different kinds of academic journals and databases, as well as our own internal database. So what does that mean? Basically, any content that has been submitted to Copyleaks, we have stored and we are comparing against. So if you are using this, if you're a teacher and you are scanning the content every semester and you give the same prompts, you're able to know if a student took from one semester to the next. So that's just something that's pretty great. We have hundreds of thousands of documents in our own database, as well as you're able to compare against things you have previously submitted against. So if you want to compare one draft to another, you're able to see the differences. Also, different file types are able to be submitted. So doc, docx, RTF, different text files, lots of different PowerPoint options. If that's something you need to scan, we have all different file types. And again, our scans take according to how long your document is. So if you have a few hundred pages, it could take a few minutes to scan. If it's shorter, it normally only takes a few seconds to a minute or two. And again, how many results we're able to find. So right now, the results are starting to appear. So let's just go ahead and open the report of the first result. So over here, the source is the document that you have submitted. So that is your document. The suspected is the result we are comparing it against. So again, I've clicked on source, so this is completely ours. This is the document I've submitted. And now let's look at the suspected. So we're able to see anything that's in yellow, that's highlighted, is what is similar. So you can go between the two and you can look at the different pages to see the similar text compared against your document and the result. So again, source to suspected, you can go back and forth. And when you're done, you're able to share it with those who it's relevant for. So if you're a student, maybe this is only for yourself, or if it's part of a group project, you can share that with the rest of your team. If you're a teacher and you need to notify a student, again, you can email it, so you have lots of different options. Just the final thing, you're able to look at how many words are copied and how identical it is. So here is a very, very similar copy. Sometimes you'll find percentages under 20, and that may be as a student where you're able to find which sources you used and confirm that you did in fact use those. So again, if you're a student, it's great to do a scan with Copyleaks for your essay before you submit it to your teacher, just to make sure that everything is in place, you've given all the correct citations. And if you're a teacher, this is a great tool to use after your students have submitted everything and you're starting the grading process. So here it is. And again, if you have any questions, always feel free to send us an email, Facebook, or Twitter. We are here to help you. That's all.